Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use the pencil tool to draw lines and then the different actions on lines. How can we convert a line to curve or to a vector? So in the toolbox, if you put your cursor here on this symbol, the pencil tool, if you select this tool, you can draw freehand lines. And I click on it, I select it, I click this in the page, and then I draw it in this direction. And the second click would end the line at the position where you clicked it, where you click it. So it draws a line between the two clicks. Now I want to change the width of this line, and that I can do by coming here to the stroke fill. And in the stroke fill, I click on the stroke style. And from the stroke style, here is width. I can change width of the line to any desired width. You see, I have changed the width of the line. And then from this drop-down menu, I can select style for the line from dash, dotted, whatever you like. There are too many options available. So I click on the dash line. And then from this drop-down menu, you can add a vector to the line. You can choose this one, or you can choose this one. Whichever you like, you can convert the line into vector. And if you want to remove the vector back, then you need to select this line. So it will remove the vector from the line. Let me, for the time being, put this vector on it. And then I click here. Now I want to add a vector to this end of the line. That I can do by selecting from here. I select this one vector. So I have added a vector to this side, but for the time being, I don't want to add vector to both ends. So I remove this one and I have a vector like this. Now I can change I come over here to select this tool so that I'm out of the pencil tool. And now I want to I want to change the color of the line. That I can do by clicking on the stroke pen. If I click on the stroke pen and I drag this over here, I want to get it red. I put this over here and this over here. So you can slide the slider from any position to take any color. For example, I want to make it green, blue, or whatever I like. I can change the color as per your choice. Now, if you want to rotate your vector, just click on it to activate this mode of the selected tool. And now clicking on any arrow, you can rotate it about the center of the line. And if you want to change the point of rotation, just click on it and drag it to that position. Let me put this on the tail. And now if I try to rotate, it will rotate about the, now if I want to rotate, it will rotate about the tail of the vector. So you can this way change the point of rotation. I can even take the point of rotation of the line. I drag this to this position. And now if I want to rotate the line, it will rotate like about that point like this. So you can change the point of rotation by putting this star-like symbol at that position. I put this back at the center. Now, if I select the node tool on the toolbox, I can convert the line to a curve. I can change even the length of the line this way, the orientation of the line through the node tool. And I can drag this to a curve like this to any one curve, any shape. And if I add, let me drag this to this position and this one to this one, and I can add nodes either by clicking on this plus sign or double clicking on the line. I add a node over here, and now with the help of this additional node, I can convert this to a wave like curve. I can drag this over here, and I can convert this like this. And let me remove the vector sign from the curve. That I can do by coming back over here and selecting this. So now this is and I go back to selector, and you can move this to any position. So you can play with the line to convert this into curve, into close curve, or any other shape by coming to node tool, and you can change the style of the curve by coming to stroke style. So this way you can create different types of lines or vectors in Inkspace. And if you haven't just subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and also the like button in the video. Thanks for watching.